What? You're gonna break up with me? I did not do anything. Why? Come on, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me now. I have bills to pay. No, that's not true. Listen to me. Please, not now. Brad. Hello?
Hello po, si Miss Joanne po ba ito?
Oo.
Ma'am, collections agency po kami para sa credit card.
Yes. Why po? Ano pong problema?
2 weeks na po kayong overdue.
I know, okay. Magbabayad ako, I promise. Hindi ako tatakas.
Ma'am, kailangan nyo na pong i-settle as soon as possible, kundi i-report na po kayo namin sa polis.
Yes, I will. Kailangan ko lang ng konting panahon, please.
Sige po.
Salamat. Naman to sabay-sabay.